Everybody, and we are here again. My name is Marissa, and that's Kara over there trying to be all raver because she's not. Just kidding. I'm just kidding, you guys. Anyway, so Kara has a special treat for you guys today, and she wants to show it to you, okay? So hold on 1 second. Kara, tell them what you're going to do.
I'm gonna Nuji bounce Marissa.
She's going to Nuji bounce me. Oh my gosh.
Dad, come here and record this.
I guess Dad's going to come and record this.
Come on, Dad.
I'm so excited.
You get to record this.
Godiva chocolate. Oh! Ow! Kara, my hair is needing to be good.
Hey, girl, shut up.
Oh, my ears!
You're
Where's
stuck
that?
in
Are
the
those your
couch.
friends in the black car?
Oh! What?
Going.
They're leaving?
Who is that?
How do you guys know it's
We
Marissa's
went to the wrong
friend?
house.
Not my friends.
Because Marissa doesn't have any friends.
Time for you!
Hey, Marissa, please,
Patriotic. Woo!